Hey guys, welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. Today I cooked up some white rice and I found some taco meat with turkey in it, and so I just made a burrito bowl. So there is some white rice at the bottom, a little bit of the turkey taco meat, and then I put a little bit of sour cream, guac, and then I have lettuce and tomatoes. And that is what we're going to be having. And then I also made some of that Chewy's dip sauce, so we're probably going to have some of that with some chips. But that is what we are having for dinner on Monday night. Hey guys, it is, what day is today? Tuesday. My week is getting away from me, and it's only the beginning of the week. Anyways, so for dinner, I pulled out a freezer meal that we had, which is this shredded chicken. It was a crock pot meal that I made a few weeks ago, and I just popped the leftovers in the freezer for quick meals. So I just paired it with the leftover rice we had from our burrito bowls yesterday, and then I just added a dollop of guac, and that is what I am having for dinner on Tuesday night.
Hey guys, Thalia's not feeling really well, so I wanted to help her out. I made her a peanut butter sandwich, and hopefully this will help her feel better.
Hey guys, so tonight for dinner I made a salad, and I think it's just like a romaine salad blend. I put some croutons and some honey mustard, and it was supposed to be like a crispy chicken salad, but I actually don't like meat on my salads. I know that sounds really weird. So I just cut up the chicken patty that we're gonna use and just put it on the side so I can eat it that way. But that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hey guys, it is Friday, made it to the end of the week. Oh, so freaking happy. But for dinner, we are just having some pizza, and I decided to cut it like square, like this. And I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the shape, who knows? But I feel like I'm eating fancy pizza right now. So score, I guess. But that is what we are having for dinner on Friday night. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week on What's for Dinner, and I will see you guys later. Bye.